be done by our honorable guest.
I, as George Barcelon, as PCC, to promote a sound business environment is done. Thank you.
Of the Davao City Chamber of Commerce and Industry, advancing the interest of the members of this chamber primarily
do hereby turn over this flag to you as a symbol of authority.
It is my commitment to use the authority responsibly to actually bring about change. Change and growth was entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur is, rather than be a...
I will deviate from the usual practice. Do not hold it against me.
the ease of doing business and corruption. No, matalino ako. Just like what I answered first year when I was mayor, I bought a new lang ngayon doon sa Pope para in the sense that there are things, being the President of the Philippines, I will answer you. Pakialam dyan sa Supreme Court. Dito, police, barangay captain, mayors, a few governors. Ito na. Military man to. Credentials, impressive ones. Maraming salamat po.
Daghang salamat. 1, 2, 3.